Hello and welcome to Devotion to Writing, a channel devoted to helping you cultivate a daily writing practice and to realize you are creative abundance. So I'm really excited about this video because this is the first in a series I've been dreaming about doing now for a couple of months, where I take the writings of other artists and writers, their writings about their own creative process, their advice, their own experiences, and just condense them for you in a series of videos on to help you cultivate your daily writing practice. So I feel like in this way, I'll take the library of books that have influenced me, that have helped support my writing practice and have helped me sustain myself as a writer, and I can present some of them to you. Living life as an artist is a practice. You are either engaging in the practice or you are not. It makes no sense to say you're not good at it. It's like saying, I'm not good at being a monk. You are either living as a monk or you're not. We tend to think of the artist's work as the output. The real work of the artist is a way of being in the world. In the wild, animals must narrow their field of vision to survive. A tight focus prevents distraction from critical needs like food, shelter, predators, procreation. But for the artist, this reflexive action can be a hindrance. Widening one's scope allows for more moments of interest to be noticed and collected, building a treasury of material to draw from later. A practice is the embodiment of an approach to a concept. This can support us in bringing about a desired state of mind. When we repeat the exercise of opening our senses to what is, we move closer to living in a continually open state. We build a habit, one where expanded awareness is our default way of being in the world. To deepen this practice is to embark on a more profound relationship with Source. As we reduce the interference of our filter, we become better able to recognize the rhythms and movements around us. This allows us to participate with them in a more harmonious way. We begin to see ourselves as part of a greater whole that is constantly regenerating itself. And we may then tap into this all-powerful propagating force and ride its creative wave. To support our practice, we might set up a daily schedule where we engage in particular rituals at specific times every day or week. The gestures we perform don't need to be grand. Small rituals can make a big difference. The purpose of such rituals is not necessarily in the doing, just as the goal of meditation isn't in the meditating. The purpose is to evolve the way we see the world when we're not engaged in these acts. We are building the musculature of our psyche to more acutely tune in. This is so much of what the work is about. Awareness needs constant refreshing. If it becomes a habit, even a good habit, it will need to be reinvented again and again, until one day you notice that you are always in the practice of awareness at all times, in all places, living your life in a state of constant openness to receiving.